In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot Smartsheet when it isn't working properly. If Smartsheet is loading slowly, not responding, or showing unexpected errors, don't worry. There are a few simple things you can do to fix the problem before reaching out for help. I'll walk you through each one clearly so you can try them in order and get back to work as quickly as possible. The first thing to do is refresh your Smartsheet page. Sometimes a temporary loading issue or minor browser glitch can prevent the page from working correctly, and a simple refresh is enough to solve it. You can reload the page using your browser's refresh button or the usual keyboard shortcut. After the page reloads, give it a moment to fully load and then check whether the issue has been resolved. If that doesn't help, the next step is to log out of your account and then log back in. This can reset your current session and fix issues related to authentication or account loading. Sign out completely, close the Smartsheet tab if needed, then open it again and log back in. Once you're back in your account, test the feature or page that was causing trouble. You should also check your internet connection. Smartsheet depends on a stable connection to load data properly and save changes. If your internet is weak or keeps dropping, that may be the real cause of the problem. Try loading another website to confirm your connection is working normally. If needed, reconnect to your network and then try Smartsheet again. Another helpful step is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become outdated or corrupted, which may interfere with websites like Smartsheet. Go into your browser settings, clear the cache and cookies, then close and reopen the browser before signing back in. This often helps if the issue is tied to old saved data. If the problem continues, try opening Smartsheet in another browser or on a different device. This is a useful way to figure out whether the issue is specific to your current browser, computer, or mobile device. If Smartsheet works elsewhere, that gives you a better idea of where the problem is coming from. You should also check whether Smartsheet is having a service issue. Sometimes the problem isn't on your side at all. Look for the official service status page or any current outage notices to see if there's a known disruption. If you've tried all of these steps and Smartsheet still isn't working, the final step is to contact Smartsheet support. Let them know what issue you're seeing and which troubleshooting steps you've already completed so they can help you more efficiently.